My dear students of class 9, I am going to start chapter 7. Name of chapter Triangles, exercise 7.4, question number 5. In figure, PR greater than PQ and PS is bisector of angle QPR. Prove that angle PSR, this angle, greater than angle PSQ, this angle. For the solution of this question, we write given PR greater than PQ and PS bisects angle QPR. To prove angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ. Proof. In triangle PQR, PR greater than PQ. This implies that angle PQR greater than angle PRQ. In a triangle, angle opposite to longer side is larger. This implies that angle PQS is greater than angle PRS. We consider this as equation 1. Now, PS bisects angle P. Therefore, angle QPS is equal to angle RPS. QPS this angle, RPS this angle. We consider this as equation 2. Adding 1 and 2 we get angle PQS plus angle QPS is greater than angle PRS plus angle RPS. We consider this as equation 3. Now, in triangle PQS, side QS is produced to point R. Therefore, exterior angle PSR is equal to angle PQS plus angle QPS. We consider this as equation 4. Also, in triangle PSR, side RS is produced to point Q. Therefore, exterior angle PSQ is equal to angle PRS plus angle RPS. We consider this as equation 3. We put the values from 4 and 5. In 3, we get angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ, hence proved. This is the solution of question number 5. Question number 6. Show that of all line segments drawn from a given point not on it, the perpendicular line segment is the shortest. For the solution of this question, we write, let M be a line and A be a point not lying on the line M. A is outside the line M. To prove in all line segments drawn from A to line M, perpendicular line is the shortest. Construction. We draw AP perpendicular to line M and draw line segments AQ and AR such that Q is any point on the line M on the left side of P and R is on the right side of P. Proof. In triangle APQ, angle AQP plus angle QAP plus angle APQ equals to 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. This implies that angle AQP plus angle QAP plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Since AP is perpendicular to line M, therefore angle APQ equals to 90 degree. So we write angle AQP is same, angle QAP same, and plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree, and this equals to 180 degree minus 90. This implies that angle AQP plus angle QAP equals to 90 degree. Since 90 degree is the angle APQ, so we write here angle APQ. This implies that angle AQP plus angle QAP equals to angle APQ. By comparing angle AQP and angle APQ, angle AQP is smaller than angle APQ. Why? Because angle APQ is the sum of these two angles, angle AQP and angle QAP. So, angle AQP is smaller than angle APQ. This implies that AP less than AQ. In a triangle, side opposite to a smaller angle is smaller. We consider this as equation 1. Similarly, in triangle APR, AP is less than AR. We consider this as 2. From 1 and 2, we get perpendicular AP is the smallest among line segments AQ, AP and AR. Thus, we can say that among all the line segments drawn from a given point to a line, perpendicular line segment is the shortest. This is the answer of question number 6. This is the last question today. I will meet you next day with another set of questions. Thank you. Thank you very much.